Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's tutorial, we are going to talk about on how you could go ahead and register or sign up to a Trust Wallet. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. So first things first, let's go ahead and open up our Play Store right here. If you're using something like iOS device, you could just go ahead and do the same thing on your App Store. Inside, we are going to be searching Trust Wallet, and it's this one right here. Just go ahead and install the application and wait for it to download. After installing Trust Wallet, just go ahead and open up the application right here and you will be prompted right through their page. So you want to go ahead and click on Get Started, and inside you'll be able to create a new wallet, or if you already have your own wallet. But in this tutorial, we are going to be creating or signing up to our Trust Wallet. So I'll just go ahead and click on Create New Wallet right here. You have your secret phrase and this Swift account. I recommend creating an account with the secret phrase. So just go ahead and click on it, and inside we have the backup secret phrase right here. You could go ahead and manually back up your secret phrase, or you could just go ahead and do that from your Google Drive. But I suggesting backing up manually right here. So just go ahead and click on backup manually. Go ahead and check all of these boxes right here. Go ahead and click on continue, and basically you want to go ahead and remember the secret phrases. This is the most crucial and the most important part of your Trust Wallet or another wallet revolving around crypto. If you cannot go ahead and remember these phrases, you will be able to permanently lose your wallet. So just go ahead and write this down if you want to, or you could just go ahead and paste it down to something like a password manager. And after typing down your secret phrase, you want to go ahead and click on continue, and you may need to confirm your secret phrase right here. You have your word 1, word 4, word 7, and word 10. Let me just go ahead and do that real quick. And after confirming your secret phrase, you can now go ahead and create your passcode that is unique to your device. So since I'm using my Android tablet, I could just go ahead and type something random like 0 right here. I'll go ahead and confirm that password, and with that simple steps out of the way, we have managed to sign up to our Trust Wallet. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.